I was thinking during my walk today about how important it is to decide consciously to show up and remain present when you're with your mentee. And even more so when you're using Zoom meetings is to have the correct Zoom attire on. I have been caught a couple of times in my own Zoom meetings where I haven't necessarily had the best clothes on at the time, or I have forgotten to shower even. And that was a little embarrassing, but you learn and you keep moving forward. Now, the great thing about this Zoom world and being able to share through Zoom meetings is that there is some benefits here, because what you're doing is you're being able to be present in a natural setting for you. Well, I find myself in my natural attire. Just thought I'd share this with you. And what it does is it gives you options. You might have your business setting, you might have your home setting. So I'm just going to let the cyclist go by. Now, with these multiple settings, the beauty is that a person can get to know you in a couple of different ways. And what's excellent is that when you are in more of your natural setting using your Zoom, then what happens is that there's more trust and empathy can show up in the connection. And I didn't want to lose that today, because I've spoken about maybe taking Zoom meetings into the outdoors. And here I find myself swatting mosquitoes and everything that I just thought that I would share this because I'm out for my walk here. And it came to mind. Again, what's important here is to decide consciously with this Zoom meeting, these technologies, how you're going to show up and remain present, wearing the appropriate Zoom attire, so that the mentee can actually get a sense of more about you in your natural setting that allows for the building of trust and empathy. I have an ask of you: subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and ring the bell so that you can receive notifications. Also, what follows is some information about one of the latest courses or books that are available to you.